Hi guys, happy Saturday. So thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Brenda and welcome if you're new here. I really appreciate you guys watching my video. So today I wanted to show you guys what I got from Sephora. I got some stuff from Sephora because if you guys don't know, or if you guys are interested in knowing, I have a video that I tell you that I started my makeup certification. In order to finish it, I need to do some assignments, right? And I was missing so much makeup. I was missing brushes. I was missing things that I didn't have because I don't really do my makeup like that. I'm just like, whatever, if it looks okay, if it doesn't, if it does, you know, just do it and then pray that I look okay or decent at least. But I'm learning so much and I'm really thankful for it. So, but there was a lot of things that I was missing because I don't use a lot of stuff, but I'm so excited that I'm learning how to use this stuff because it makes like a huge difference. So next time, well, maybe not next time, but soon you guys will see me and I'm gonna have a glamorous face because I'm gonna know how to do makeup. At least, like, you know, start to learn how to do makeup. But very excited about it. I do have another video which I have bought brushes, and those brushes have been amazing to me and I really love them. So yes, I am excited about this and I'll keep you guys updated if you guys are interested. But I'm gonna go with my little little haul. It's just a tiny one. I literally just bought stuff that either I had ran out of, or stuff that I needed in order to proceed with, you know, turning in my makeup assignments. So first, my favorite thing, I am falling in love with Makeup by Mario. Like every time I purchase something, I don't think I've not liked something. And the only thing I don't like is like a lot of his stuff is always out of stock, but I've really like all his stuff. Starting with the packaging, I am so boring, and this isn't boring by any means, but the packaging is just so amazing. It just makes me want to buy everything, you know what I mean? So he knows what he's doing. But I bought this. I bought the regular one. I know they have a newer one now, and it was sold out at, actually this one was from Makeup for Mario because it was sold out at Sephora, but I got it straight from there. And this is what it looks like. It has beautiful, you know, neutral colors, and oh my god, I just fell in love with this. I wish I would have bought another one because I know I'm gonna run out of this quickly. I know I need to buy a bigger palette, the one that has like the variety of colors, but to start off with, why not buy this one? It's amazing. I've already tried it out, of course, you know, not with like the crazy colors and stuff like that. I just tried it out today with just, you know, the basic base color that I use. But I just love it. It's so, and the packaging, everything about it is amazing. Another purchase that I did from Makeup by Mario is this sculpture, what's it called? I believe it's like a, oh my god, I need my glasses. Medium, I don't know what it's called. It's just, you know, those little sculpture things, but this is a medium dark. This is what it looks like. I know eventually I'm gonna have to buy, when I do start doing makeup, here you go, this is what it looks like. And in the back it has like a little, you know, brush, but it kind of stinks. I don't know why, but it works amazing. I already tried this out as well. It's so creamy and so amazing. Again, the packaging, can't go wrong with it. So it matches my room, which I absolutely love. I know it's silly, but yeah, so I definitely recommend anything Makeup by Mario. Well, I have not tried the lipsticks. The lipsticks look like they're either hit or miss with people because I've had mixed reviews on them. So I did order the red mini one, which came with a, I think it's a kit. It came with a lip liner and a lipstick. The only thing about Makeup by Mario is their shipping is a little bit, lags a little bit. I don't know if it has to do with like what's going on with the weather, but I'm just waiting on that because I do have to do like an assignment with like red lips. So once I let you know if I like it or not. But I have bought their lip liner individually, his lip liner individually, and it's amazing. The color is amazing. I'm about to be ordering another one. I don't know why I didn't order it with this stuff if I know I'm gonna run out soon, but yes, it's amazing. I got primer from Rare Beauty. I heard so many amazing things about Rare Beauty. I do use primer. I usually use a Tatcha one, but I was like, I had been hearing so many good things about this, so I was just like, you know what, let me go ahead and try it out. This is This is what it looks like. I haven't tried it out yet, but when I do try it out, I'll let you guys know. If you guys have tried it out, let me know if you like it. But everything Rare Beauty like sells out as well, and I just had amazing reviews, and I've heard people like tell me like at my kids school that it's amazing. All her products are amazing. So that I did run out of and I had to buy. So I bought the Huda Beauty, it's the baking powder or the settling powder. I don't own any. This is new to me. I never use settling powder or baking powder. I don't know if there's a difference, but I bought a mini one just in case. I don't know if what should tell if it's a good one or not, but I bought this Huda one because I thought it was cute. I do like Huda Beauty, so this is what it looks like. Again, it's a miniature one. I think it was only $20. This is in the color banana bread, so I think this is the medium color. Again, I know I'm gonna have to start buying more colors and stuff like that. This is just for now, just so I could do my assignments, and it's super cute. So when I got the list, it didn't have the prices, so I'll link everything down below if you guys are interested. But this is the baking powder. Again, I haven't tried that, so I mean, I can't tell you if I like it or not. What I can tell you is this milk settling spray is amazing. I was using the Hangover from Too Faced, which I love as well, and I ran out of it. I had bought this one like a really long time ago, and I ran out of it, and then I went to the the Too Faced, but anything milk is amazing. I don't know what it is. I love this brand just like I love Mario's brand, so I just love it. So I got this size, and it works so well. My face is weird. Sometimes it's oily and sometimes it's dry. I'm sure when I'm dehydrated it's dry, but it's just, I don't know, I can't explain it. I'm like right in the middle, but this works for me so good. I actually, when I first went to Sephora a couple years ago and I got matched, she recommended to me the Milk brand, and I'm so glad she did, because I have fallen in love with. You know what else is good and I forgot and I should have bought is their mascara. Their mascara is amazing. So if you ever get a chance, if you haven't tried Milk products, do it, because they're pretty good. I do want to try a blush from them. I have a blush. I hardly ever use blush, so I do have a Tom Ford blush that I'm trying to get use. So I don't want to buy more blush because that one was pretty expensive, so I'm gonna try to use that one, and then try out the Milk brand or the Rare brand. I was watching Gina Janine, and she's like a YouTuber, and she had bought this Milk perfume. I'm not much of a perfume person. The only perfume I own and have owned for like ever is Lost Cherry Tom Ford. That's my perfume. I'm very like, I don't know what smells good and what doesn't. I know that one smells good on me, but I don't know how to choose perfumes. As much as I try to watch influencers and stuff like that, I don't know what won't get to me, because a lot of perfumes, like ever since I had my last child, I just get real sick or nauseous every time I smell like a really strong perfume. So I have to be really careful with perfumes because I get a headache. I don't know why, even though they smell absolutely delicious or good, I get a headache with them. Not if I smell them with somebody else, I'm like, oh, you smell amazing, but if I put it on myself, I get nauseous. So Lost Cherry is the only one that has been working for me, but she said this one was good. It's really light and stuff like that, and I bought it, and because it's Milk and I love anything Milk, I bought the sample just in case I really like it, because the big one is like $130. But I'm like, what if I don't even like it? Because I bought like Versace perfumes, and I bought all these perfumes that were like in the hundreds, and it's like, I don't wear them, except I only wear Tom Ford Lost Cherry. So and then I really don't go to the mall, which I'm glad I didn't go to the mall this last time, because there was a shooting. I was gonna go buy this stuff. I was like, no, I'm not gonna drive all the way over there. I just rather, you know, order it. Plus some of the stuff was sold out there. So, and then there was a shooting that day, so thank you Jesus. But anyways, so I really don't go to the mall, and they used to have a Sephora around my house. They took at JCPenney's. It's no longer there. We only have one Sephora at the mall. So if you only have one Sephora in your whole city, you know how that goes. Everything is sold out. So I did end up buying this $25 one because I was like, well, if I don't like it, I don't like it, or I'll give it to my daughter or whatever, you know what I mean? But it smells amazing, and I think I'm going to go ahead and purchase the big one because it smells so good. Oh yes, it's totally, yeah, I wore it today and it didn't get to me. It just smells so good. Again, if other people are wearing perfume, I love smelling them. I'm just like, oh, she smells so good and stuff like that. It's only on me that I have an issue when I wear perfume. So yeah. And then, okay, so you know how you get points. I had 100 points. And I got I'm like one of those, like if I have points I have to use them. So I used mine for this number 9 Olaplex. I ran out of all my Olaplex stuff, and Olaplex has been working so amazing for me that I have to go and really order some more. But I hadn't tried this number 9 yet, so I haven't tried it yet, but I got this just to try it out to see if I'm gonna put it in, you know, when I order my next Olaplex you know, when I do my next Olaplex purchase. But I'm gonna try this out, and I know my hair looks orange, and if it does, that's because it is. I have other videos saying that I'm not gonna touch my hair, I'm not gonna ever dye it again, and I totally lied to you guys and myself because I ended up dyeing my hair again. And thank God that ginger color is in, because I swear my hair is orange. But I think that's the only thing saving me. But I really don't want to, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm so stressed over it, like I don't know. So I'm stressed over that. And guys, I've gained so much, like the holidays, everything, me turning 43, all of this, I have gained so much weight. We have a big trip coming up. We're only going to California, but we're gonna go celebrate my daughter's birthday, and we're gonna make it kind of like a big deal. So I kind of want to look decent, you know, and I feel like so overweight and so depressed. So I did get back on Phetermine to kind of, well, my doctor put me back on so I could like balance my weight. And I forgot to order it, so I did get a Peloton, which stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys my Peloton. I'm so excited about it. I know there's a ton of videos on it, but so excited about it. So I've been doing my Peloton. I've been doing really good at that. I've been losing a little bit of the weight that I have. I know the Phetermine is going to help me out. Don't take Phetermine just to take it. Let me tell you, it is prescribed and it's a lot. So I'm just telling you what I'm doing. But yes, so I have to fix my hair and lose a little bit of weight. But other than that, I'm so excited. Once I start using these products, I'll talk to them more about them to you. But I just wanted to come on here and show you what I needed to get in order to proceed to get my assignments done for my makeup certification. And I was liking these things. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my little journey in case you guys are interested, because it's like so cool, you know what I mean? Like me, I don't know how to do makeup, and I'm learning so much. So it's something you could actually learn. I'm not gifted with, God didn't bless me with the talent, because I know so many women out there are just naturally talented. I actually have to learn and have to practice and, you know, just keep up with it, because I am really enjoying it. But I have to really learn it because it's something that I'm really liking, you know. But I'll keep you guys updated my next video on my makeup journey. I'm going to show you guys the assignments. Again, I'm just waiting on that one lipstick that I need, and then, you know, I'll let you guys know how it goes and everything like that, because I think it's pretty pricey, but it is worth it because you could actually make money off the certification. But thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys, and if you guys would like to stick around and become part of my little family here on YouTube and subscribe, I would love that even more. And I'll see you guys next time.